Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, top story is coming straight from Brussels, where the European Union is preparing a sweeping new round of sanctions against Russia. Sources familiar with the matter says this will be the 19th sanctions package since 2022, reflecting Europe's determination to tighten the screw on Moscow's economic and military supply chains. According to insiders, the latest measures are expected to target around six major Russian banks and rival of the country's largest energy companies, but the scope goes far beyond financial institutions. The European is looking at restricting Russia's domestic payments and credit card systems, imposing tighter controls on cryptocurrency exchanges, and introducing stronger limitations on Russian oil trading networks. What makes this round particularly significant in the effort to coordinate closely with the United States? A high-level European delegation is set to travel to Washington this week to meet with U.S. officials, where both sides will discuss the possibilities of a joint transatlantic sanctions strategy. Such cooperations would amplify the impact of the measures, closing loopholes and making it harder for Russia to bypass restrictions through third countries. The sanctions package is also expected to take direct aim at Russia's so-called shadow fleet, the hundreds of aging oil tankers operating under obscure flags to move Russian crude outside officials' market. Measures could include a renewed ban or reinsurance for listed vessels, restrictions on third country oil traders, and closer monitoring of chip-to-chip transfers. At the same time, the European is waving tougher against action against Russian state-owned oil giants such as Rosneft. Expansions that previously allowed certain companies to continue limited operations may now be rolled back, further sneezing Moscow's energy revenues, which remains the backbone of Russia's war financing. Behind energy and finance, and the package is also expected to expand restrictions on the export of critical equipment, technology, and chemicals that Russia relies on to sustain its military-industrial complex. European officials stress that cutting off these supplies is key to slowing down Russia's ability to produce advanced weapons and ammunition. If adopted, this 19th sanctions package would represent one of the most comprehensive to date, striking at Russia's bank, oil revenues, global shipping, and access to military grade of supplies. Analysts say the coordinated European and US approach could mark a turning point, making it difficult for Moscow to adapt to the economic pressures. We will continue to track this developing story and bring you update as the European finalize its decision in the morning weeks. Thanks for watching. If you find this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on global politics, markets, and geopolitics. Thanks.